Hello! In front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu. Once you open the shortcuts menu, you can use the buttons, upper and lower button, to scroll through it, or you can use the touchscreen. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and then you can press the middle button or tap on the icon to enter. Now, scroll through the menu, find the option called connectivity and select it. And here you should see the airplane mode option. To enable it, you can tap on it on the screen or press the middle button like this. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen or press and hold the middle button to go back. Keep swiping to go back to watch face. And now the airplane mode is enabled. And to disable it, simply retrace the steps. So open the settings. Connectivity. And then tap on the airplane mode to disable it, like this. And then you can press and hold the button or swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.